Have you ever wondered why an object keeps moving in the same direction unless something stops it or changes its direction? This puzzling phenomenon is not some cosmic mystery, but a fundamental law of physics known as the principle of inertia. The principle of inertia, a cornerstone of Newton's first law of motion, states that an object will remain at rest or move in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. This might sound complex, but in reality, it is a straightforward concept that governs our everyday lives. Imagine sipping a cup of tea. When you stop stirring, the tea continues to swirl. This happens because of inertia. The tea wants to keep doing what it was doing, in this case, swirling around the cup. Only when the friction between the tea and the cup becomes too great does the tea stop swirling. This is a practical example of the principle of inertia at work. Now let's delve a little deeper. The principle of inertia is deeply rooted in the concept of resistance to change. It is the inherent property of an object that resists changes in its state of motion. The more mass an object has, the more inertia it possesses and the more force it takes to change its motion. Take an elephant and a mouse, for example. The elephant, being massive, has a greater inertia compared to the mouse. Therefore, it's harder to get the elephant moving if it's at rest, or to stop it if it's in motion. Inertia does not only apply to tangible objects. Even celestial bodies like planets and stars obey the principle of inertia. The Earth, for instance, continues to revolve around the Sun because of its inertia. It would continue to move in a straight line off into space if the Sun's gravitational pull did not constantly redirect it. So, to sum it all up, the principle of inertia is the idea that an object will keep doing what it's doing until something causes it to do otherwise. It's a core concept in physics that explains why things stay in motion or remain at rest, and it's the reason why you need to apply a force to change an object's motion. Whether it's a swirling cup of tea, a stubborn elephant, or a planet hurtling through space, the principle of inertia is always at play, silently dictating the rules of motion in our universe. So next time you see something moving or standing still, remember, it's all because of inertia.